Okay, let me get ready. Actually, it looks a little bit too big, don't you think? So I'm actually just gonna end up using the lav mic today, which is a lot more discreet, especially when I'm wearing like blouse like this. But actually, I also want to show you guys a very interesting accessory, new accessory for any, not just Rode, but any lav mic. And it is called, the focus, yes, it is called a mic drop. So what's in the box? It is actually a very sort of luxury looking way, Rode and mic drop. So I'm just gonna first, line everything up. So now the line is here, I'm just gonna take off the fluffy top and then stick it right into the transmitter. So now I can see that I'm connected and you're definitely hearing my voice from the lav mic. And after everything is set up, all I need to do is actually place this mic drop. And basically you have the weight, so it will get, placed, settled into wherever you want. So just make sure you actually put this mic drop after setting everything up, because it has a little bit of weight and you don't want to drop it just in case, the cord get out of the way. So I'm all set now, and today the main topic that I do want to talk about is Insta360 ONE X2, which is one of my favorite action camera, and it is my favorite 360-degree camera out there. And I was actually quite surprised to see that it was covered in Unbox Therapy by Lou. And I was like, whoa, Lou, Unbox Therapy, huge YouTubers also covering the same product that I really like. So I was like, yeah, bring it on. I've got to check out his video with Insta360 ONE X2.
Recording.
One of the reasons why he's covering it, he's sponsored by Insta360, seems like, is because Insta360 right now have a summer sale, which means it's probably one of the best time to actually get the camera before the summertime, especially if you're looking for a 360-degree camera, 1R camera. Then you could also consider. So let's take a quick look together. Summer sale, save up to $160, but yeah, that's the maximum amount. So what are they advertising? So the deal ends in about a day and 20 hours by the time you actually watch my video. So not long to go. So Insta360 Go 2, which is this camera, which I have been reviewing a lot because it's just super convenient to use. But yeah, it is a new launch, so it's still at $300. But if you go down the list, you can actually see that Insta360 ONE X2, it is having a save of $15. So it's not a huge amount, but it is the first time that Insta360 ONE X2 is having any discount of any sort. So it's still a good news. And also if you get like creator set, the discount rate gets a little bit higher, $22. And lately I've been thinking about, how I can actually maximize using it on the beach, summertime, especially because this camera compared to other cameras, because I think Insta360 Go 2, it's the waterproofness is up to 4 meters, and Insta360 ONE-R is waterproof up to 5 meters. And Insta360 ONE X2, it is waterproof up to 10 meters. So basically, you can just take into the water, you can take into the sea. Not many of us can actually dive up to 10 meters free dive because of the buoyancy and all that. So definitely very great for summertime, especially with Insta360 app, which has few new features that I showed you in my previous review video. So today, no pressure, but I just wanted to get the words out to anybody who actually had the plan to buy Insta360 products, but you're sort of waiting for the summer sale just before the summertime. And I really wanted to get the words out to you guys because Unbox Therapy, not me, I'm a small channel, because Unbox Therapy seems to have this chance to win one Insta360 ONE X2 as well as an iPhone 12. But okay, unbox therapy. The view that I can see is like 715,000 views already. So yeah, the competition is going to be really steep there. You never know whether you might be able to actually win some products. So let's just check out how you can actually win the product. But I will definitely have the link down below to Unbox Therapy's video, because you need to go there to actually enter into the competition. So the chance to win an iPhone 12 and Insta360 ONE X2, first you need to actually subscribe to Insta360 YouTube channel. You can see that they do have a lot of interesting shots of travel, a lot of different ideas, and basically you can see a lot of interesting usages in all around the world, as well as tips. So do check out Insta360 official page. I actually go and watch different things. One of the cool things that I saw very recently is this Insta360, and there is second criteria for you to have the chance to win Insta360 ONE X2, and that is to leave a comment on Unbox Therapy's video with your Twitter account. So yeah, that's it from me. I just wanted to get the words out to you that there is sale on Insta360.com website, as well as Unbox Therapy is doing this interesting competition, which you might get a very lucky chance as well. So meanwhile, I will be shooting more, summertime footage using Insta360 ONE X2, and I'll be coming back with other interesting tech reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you.